Hey guys, so we're camping right now. I'm just doing a vlog. Wait, what the heck is happening there in the tent? What the heck? What? Tiffany, you're here. What the heck? Okay, Tiffany, what are you doing here? Oh, I'm camping.
I followed the smell of marshmallows and I decided to fly over here, and I knew it was you, Pookerly, because I saw your car. I saw the marshmallows and you had marshmallows galore. I wanted to camp with you. Oh, please let me stay.
Okay, Tiffany, I guess you can stay, but you're only getting like 1 or 2 marshmallows, okay? Not the whole packet.
Oh, but I want more. Oh, well, I suppose I might as well just accept what I have.
Shush, Tiffany, there's other people camping here as well, can't you see?
Oi, what's the noise?
Oi, what are you doing here? I thought it was me just camping here. I've already got Tiffany, and now you've just appeared in the tent.
No, this is my tent. I'm here with my family. Oh, Alex, how are you doing? It's great to see you. See you too, Tiffany. Wait, why am I wearing a headlight? I wasn't. How did this...
Okay, well, I might as well just treat you both to dinner. How about that?
Ooh, marshmallows!
Yes, Tiffany, we're going to be melting some marshmallows on this.
Oh, a barbecue! Hey, Pooker bro, can I roast them?
Yes, okay, you can. But be very careful. And don't call me Pooker bro again. 5 minutes later.
I think I'm done. Oh no.
Seriously, Tiffany? You dropped the marshmallow. Can you be any more clumsy?
Is it my turn now? Wait, this headlight. Why is it...
Yes, okay, Alex, it's your turn now, okay? Just don't drop the marshmallow.
Yay. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, still a bit hot. Oh, wait a minute.
5 minutes later.
That's really good.
5 minutes later.
Oh, that was delicious. Pookerly, do you want some?
No thanks, I'm eating more healthy. Right, Tiffany, I'm sorry, you're not going to be able to get any more marshmallows. Alex, you get down from there, and you're just going to have to eat them normally.
Okay, Pookerly. Later that night.
Right, guys, come on now, it's getting dark. Enough roasting marshmallows, and let's get into the tent. Come on.
Oh, Pookerly, always take the fun out of it. How about we go up to that house there and tell scary stories all night? Alex, I think that's a great idea.
Wait, what? No, guys, if you want to tell scary stories, do in the tent, okay? I'm not going in that castle. It's creepy, and no, I'm not going. No.
Oh, come on, Pookerly. Wait, where's my headlight? Oh, yeah, come on, Pookerly.
All right, then. Just one story, though. Oh, guys, why did you get me into this? Oh, my
So
God.
much fun.
It's so dark. You can see it much with that headlight, Alex. Oh, my God.
Is it time for scary stories now?
Yeah, I guess so. Just who's going for it? Because I want to get out here as soon as possible.
Me! Oh, thank you, Alex. Anyway, my scary story is once I went out shopping. I went to the shop and I bought me groceries. I was walking back home when I noticed my house was looking very, very terrible. Oh, well, I walked up the driveway feeling very scared, and I walked in the door. Everything was dark. But then, when I went into the living room, it was a great shock. I discovered that it was a surprise birthday party.
Oh, okay. Is that your story over? Come on, guys. I'm getting out of here. Goodbye.
Is it over? Seriously? Again. Oh, how did this come here? Ah, must have packed up a spare torch.
Glad that was I'm glad that's over. Guys, I think I might have just heard like footsteps.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay. Let's get back to the tent.